Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Easy Learning. Today we are going to look at a very interesting topic, LCM. Least common multiples. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest numbers that is the multiples of those numbers. Now we are going to look at two methods. The first one is by listing the multiples, and the second one we are going to look at by division method. So, example number 1, find the LCM of 5 and 10. I'm going to list the multiples of all the given numbers. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Then multiples of 10. 50, 60, and so on. We are going to identify the common multiples of all the given numbers. Then their common multiples are 10. We have 10 here. We have 10 here. We have 20. We have 20. We have 30. We have 30. Therefore, the least common multiples, least common multiple means the least number among them. So we have 10, 20, 30, and the least number is what? 10. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So we're going to look at the division method. Make our line, write our 5. We have our 10. 2, the least number that will divide them is 2. 5, divide this 5. Then 5. 5 divide 5, divide 5, 1. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is equals to 2 times 5, it gives you 10. So this is by division method, and this is by listing the I would like you to like, share, comment, and follow me on my Facebook. Please keep practicing and keep learning. If you have any question, you can write it on the comment section. Thank you very much, and God bless. Bye.